How to fix Google Pay could not send SMS. If Google Pay cannot send you the SMS, there is most likely due to the network error. Now to resolve it, first and foremost, drop down your notification center. Now if your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can actually check for a better cellular data or a better Wi-Fi connection. Next step, what you can do is enable your airplane mode for a couple of seconds. Then quickly turn it back off. After this, check for a VPN connection. If you are using a VPN, make sure to disable your VPN and try again. Another thing is you can open up your phone settings. In the phone setting, tap on the search icon to search for developer option. If you have not toggled on the developer option, make sure to do so by pressing on the build number for 7 times. Now in the developer option, you need to scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. This is the one we will be looking for. Just make sure that this is toggled on. Also ensure the mobile data always active option is toggled on as well. After this, quickly restart your device and try again. And I bet your issue will be resolved. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.